Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and today's video is going to be me trying out this new, or not new, but my new collection. It's the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. It is the Desert Dusk, and I thought, you know what, I might try out a different palette instead of going back to my ColourPop palette, and I'm quite excited. The colors tend to be a bit more different to what I normally use, but it's quite nice to try it out. So this is what it looks like. It's got a lot of shimmery and pinkish colors, and I'm just gonna go and attempt a look that I like, and who knows how it's going to turn out. So this is kind of my first impression on the colors and how easy it is to blend. So right now my face is bare face and just moisturizer and my skincare ready to go for this video. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm actually going to just do my foundation first and then move on to my eyebrows and then my eyes. Foundation that I got, it was only like $12, so I'm just going to apply this directly to my face. And also I forgot to mention is that with this foundation it's better for normal to a bit dry skin because it is quite oily based, but for me I'm combination, so it still kind of works for me, but it does get really oily in my T-zones. So what I like to do is I like to use a very good setting powder or translucent powder, and this one is the Hourglass translucent powder. It has kept my oily forehead in place. So what I like to do is just tap it in. Normally I like to use a beauty blender to tap in this translucent powder, but sometimes this brush helps it distribute it more evenly rather than baking my face. So I like to just tap this all over my face. I just kind of like the look of having blush around my nose and onto my cheek. It's just to give it the less, like the American makeup look. Although this eyeshadow palette might give me that effect, but just I don't know what I'm after. We'll see how we go with the palette. Alright, so now that I've zoomed you guys in, I'm going to, I think first I'm going to try to do like a smoky eye look just to see how it goes. So I'm actually going to dip into saffron. Is this saffron? So I'm just going to dip into that and just put it on my outer corner. Go in with amber just to blend it a bit out. This is my first attempt with this makeup look, and I'm not sure how it's going to turn out to be like. But you know, makeup is all about trialing and error, so here I am. But I feel like a lot of times my makeup is relatively the same as the technique I go for. If I'm going with like a dark color, I like to just blend it in my whole eye, or just tap it in motion. And I'm going to dip into a lighter color to also blend out this harshness. I'm going to dip into Desert Sand. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try attempt a cut crease. And what I'm going to do is just apply some concealer here. So you got that. Brush, clean it up. just to let you guys know, I'm not a professional makeup artist, so this is kind of just based off what I kind of like to play around with. And the first glittery color that kind of popped up to me was these two colors. It's such like a nice color. It's not too shimmery, it's not too much. Just a color. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, this is definitely not turning out what I wanted to be, but I will try to save it. I'm also going to bring it down to my lower corner, the lower lash line. I'm going to go with something lighter, so I'm just going to dip into Eden and then just do my under eyes. To be honest, I don't think it's going to turn out that bad, because once you put on eyeliner and also just mascara, everything just comes together. Yeah, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it, eh? But so far, I like this palette. It's easy to blend, and the colors are quite pigmented. Alright, so this is the final look using the Huda Beauty. So far, I really like this palette. I feel like this palette, you could use it for a heavy smoked eye look like she did, or you could also go with something that's more kind of on the natural side, like the look that I just created. Yeah, so I feel like there's a lot of colors for you to experiment with, and there's also this orange eyeshadow color that I feel like you could also make it look very warm tone on a look. And I feel like these with gold glasses is not that bad. Yeah, but these ones I tend to wear for night when I'm about to sleep, because they're more lighter frames in comparison to my Gucci frames. They're a bit more heavier, but I like to wear that out every day just for like my daily type of life. But yeah, I didn't really do much with my hair. I just kept it straight. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. There'll be more contents coming every Monday and Friday, so make sure to turn on the notification bell to stay updated and stay tuned and be notified when I upload. So I thought I'd just give you guys also a different angle to this makeup when I'm wearing my everyday glasses. I feel like this makeup look would also pop if you wear glasses. And also with this foundation, don't forget, if you guys want to try it out, I highly recommend it if you have relatively dry to normal skin type, or also if you have combination. It's not bad, but just make sure you should powder your face. And also there is videos every Monday and Friday, so at 12 PM, so make sure to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on post notification, and make sure to be the first one on this video.